When choosing PowerHub, you'll probably get some advantages, and for now I would like to highlight 3 of them. There's a lot, but let's just stick to 3 for now. First of all, you have access to already known platform. The PowerHub functions and builds on top of the Azure DB. The TSQL functionalities and language you're already familiar with. And they also extended languages because you have access to the whole TSQL library supported actually there. And the second would be that you are up and running in virtually no time. It's about a couple of hours of configuration and you get access to those data, and you're probably up and running with that portal and controlling the access. Also meaning that the hosting is done on your own environment. It's about hosting those Azure resources and also getting full access to that data, meaning GDPR compliance is something we think about. And the third thing that I would like to address is those standardized views that you get access to, meaning that you can access and leverage that data, getting started with the reporting in virtually no time.